What's good, chat? Hey, look, I'm not gonna hold y'all long. I just gotta preface this video by saying I ran into some issues with my car yesterday. All right, so I wanted to drop a different video today. Unfortunately, I gotta fix the issues that I ran into trying to record that video. So I'm gonna do that. In the meantime, in between time, here's this POV.
Run it back, turbo. Let's get it. Hey. Yes, sir. Woo! All right. Red top? I might get red top for lunch, actually. Shout out Mr. Lee, bruh. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, I see you. I could do it to him, but I ain't gonna do it to him. I give him a little I ain't tripping. Shout out to my construction workers. Go drop this package off for a customer real quick. I just park right here. It's 12:49. Let's go just cruise for a little bit, bro. It's some nice houses. I ain't trying to dox nobody, but hey, y'all got some nice houses out here, bro. Today's topic, was supercharging worth it? Yeah, was supercharging my Mazda 3 worth it? That's how I'm gonna start. All right. Yeah. Oh, I go there. Nasty. Hey, bro, this tune is aggressive, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. Shout out Justin, bro. This shit. Hey, should I build a big body Mazda? Let me know in the comments. Cause I get a big body, like I get a CX-50. Should I get one of these CX-9s right here? Might be the 2.0. I think that is actually. I think the CX-9 is the 2.5 turbo. This old lady driving it too. She don't even know how much potential that big body Mazda got. Anyway, let me get back to the, I be rambling. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm just kind of chatting right now, y'all. Hey, calm down, my boy. Calm down, my boy. Calm down, my boy. Oh, that's nasty. Yeah. Calm down. It was playing with him. All right, we good. Oh my goodness, bro, this tune is aggressive, yo. Chill. Maybe it's that throttle body. I don't know. It could be both, cause I changed it all out at the same time. I put the tune in, I put the throttle body in, and then I started just kind of wilding because YouTube just kind of started happening. So I don't know, maybe I'm just driving my car more, but I definitely like how my car feels right now. Hey, that's nice. What's that, a Corvette? That's a nice little Corvette. All right, little red Corvette. I see you. But yeah, was supercharging worth it? Yeah, supercharging was definitely worth it. The install was actually relatively easy. You just take your stock intake off, you put the supercharger on, you take your bumper off, you put the intercooler on. Hey, what is that? Yo, is that a Viper? No way, that's a Vipe. Is that a, nah, that's a Vet. Nah, that is a Dodge Viper, yo. It looked like it. Is that a Super? What is that, yo? I can't tell. Chad, is that a Viper or a Supra? That is a Dodge Viper, bro. That's clean. Yes, sir. Sheesh. Chad, I gotta get my radar detector so I can start walling on these, bro. I don't never know where a cop gonna be. See, there go a cop right there. I hope he don't, yeah, bro ain't worried about me though. Oh, it's 55 right here. That's why bro ain't worried about me. Yes, sir, let's go. Nah, chat, I like the supercharger. And I was naturally aspirated for a while. I did go back to stock after I blew up my car because I didn't trust the supercharger. I was like, yo, I put this, you know, this, you know, I don't wanna, I ain't gonna say that, but y'all understand what I'm saying. I bought it from China. It's not stock. You feel me? So it's like, bro, I put this cheap little supercharger on my car, blew it up. It wasn't the supercharger's fault. I'm running that same supercharger on my car right now, and it's been running great. I bought the supercharger kit. Install, easy. All right, I finished the install in like 12, 13 hours. I timed it. All right, so I finished it in like 12, 13 hours. There were a few spots where I had to, like, you know, trim some stuff, shave some stuff, grind some stuff, but like it wasn't like crazy hard to do. Matter of fact, where we going? Let me just hop on this. I don't know where we going, chat. We just driving right now. Yeah, so I bought the Supercharger kit. It came in like a week. I want to say less than a week, honestly. Like, it wasn't even 5 days. It was like here in like 3-4 days, honestly, after I paid. Shout out VT Racing. I ain't gonna hold you. They legit. Shout out Amy. She legit. Whenever I got it, I bought it in a group buy system, so I don't even think they're really doing that no more. But the whole, you know, the purchasing process and like actual buying process, it wasn't like that difficult for me. Like, I wasn't really tripping about all that, you know. This ain't the road I'm trying to be on, all these big ass trucks, bruh. Trey, why you come down this road? You should have known. This road is jank. Stop at this DG real quick. Yo, this is jank. Yeah. Chad, I'm about to stop in. I'm finna pick up some gummies, yo. I like to. Crazy. Nah, my nigga. Nah, my nigga. Nah, my nigga. Stupid. Idioto. You thought this was? Huh? Bro, I don't know why niggas be playing with me, bro. You should have just stayed in your lane. Just stay in your lane. What are you doing? Now you behind me. Stupid. Hey, this big body X trying to move too. I can see him. And they from Louisiana? Oh yeah. Yeah, whoever in front, hold. Y'all so hard, bro. If you're not turning, why are you in this lane, bro? We all trying to move. Everybody trying to grab lunch, bro. You gonna go? Or am I gonna have to go? Which one we doing? Which one we doing? Which one we doing? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah. Cause I sure would've took it too. I wasn't trying to cut nobody off. I wonder what that's gonna be. Another gas station? Probably. But what kind of gas station? Shout out my UPS drivers. Bro, where is everybody going right now? Yo, did something really happen? Is something really on fire? Was there an accident? Is somebody hurt? I'ma pray for y'all. Hope everything all right. It's kind of crazy. The fire and the ambulance. Tell him breathe, bro. All right, chat. I'll see y'all later. Ain't no line today? Yes, sir, ski. Oh, damn, there is a line. Oh, they outside today. That's cool. Still finna get my canes, though. Hey, my girl put me on the canes. I'm not gonna hold you.